Hey, Ron LeGrand here. I just want you to know that on December the 2nd, I'm going to be doing a 5-hour event on how to make the most money with the least amount of work in the real estate business. And it's a powerful event on so many of my students right now are making so much money in the terms business, not the wholesaling or the rehabbing business, but the other side of business that I like so much for all kinds of reasons. We can make money quickly, we can make money monthly, we can grow wealth, we can save taxes, and just create a tremendous cash flow, and we can do it inside and outside of our retirement accounts. And I'm going to show you all of that in this presentation. So it's a rare opportunity for you to see it, and you're going to like the cost of it because it's absolutely free. That's right, it's zero cost. Just go right down there now and get registered and join me. I've been at this now for 40 years, and I bet I can show you a few things about how to make money in real estate, and you will not use your credit, and you will not use your money. Come to Papa.